So there's this really nice guy named Darrin who hangs out here a lot. He comes with his camper. He lives nearby and he likes to camp here because it's so nice and peaceful. It's his way of getting away from it all. He's a bricklayer with the union and it's very handy. He lent me these tools that I'm going to bring back to him. And he has a really cool trailer that I thought you might enjoy seeing. I'll take you over there. Okay. He's in spot number 8. He's got a really nice view. So Darrin built this himself, and it's quite efficient, affordable, and very creative. I'm looking forward to showing it to you. Let's see if he's home. What you cooking?
I'm gonna do that.
Ooh, yum. What's that? Macaroni and cheese?
Yeah.
Ooh, making tuna.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I'm excited to show everybody your awesome trailer.
Yeah, you can get that air conditioner on. Icicles will hang from the ceiling.
Do you want to come in and show it off, or you want me to do it
Go
myself?
ahead, you do it.
All right.
Some redneck camping next to me has this junky whole thing.
This is great. So check it out. This is an old pallet that he got for free, and he made it into shelves, laid it on its side. Isn't that amazing? I thought that was so creative. And it's functional, inexpensive, and sturdy. These are from, he told me where he got this wood from, but I think he said it was a big giant pallet that he took apart and lined his walls with it. Here he's got a bed that flips up and his motorcycle fits inside. He's got hooks. He took some of those little stackable organizers and nailed them to the back of the RV, put little bungee cords in front, and voila, it's his dresser for storing all of his stuff. He's got a TV, his refrigerator. He just straps it down when he goes. There's his water supply. And over here, he's got a really nice bench that he made that has enough room for all of his stuff. And when he travels, he just puts it all in a milk crate and stores it. He got windows. He's got this really nice air conditioner unit that he got for $100 brand new off of something that had an accident or something, and just got a hole in the top and attached it. Really clever. And another shelf. He's still got more room in here if he wanted. The floor is the original floor of the trailer, which is awesome, and you just sweep it right out. It's got a flush lip on the end, and just has everything he needs to live happy out here in the beautiful wilderness.
It'll never leak when the wood rot and start delaminate. It's made of steel. You can cut a piece out and weld another piece back in. Good to go.
That's
good
awesome.
for all the biker rallies. The bullets can't get through it.
How long have you had it?
About 2 years.
That's awesome. It's awesome. Thank you.
It's your bedroom, just park it somewhere. Make it look ugly, maybe people won't rip you off.
True. Good idea. Hopefully that inspires some of you who maybe can't afford a big expensive RV. There is a way to do it in any budget. Takes some creativity, some patience, and a little bit of elbow grease. And there's so much information on the internet to help you with that. And thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Love to hear from you. Happy camping.